Welcome to Hortonworks support videos. I am Pranav Manvatkar and I am part of Hortonworks support team. Today we will be taking a look into how to migrate the NameNode service from one node to another. So sometimes it can happen like we might face some issues with one of our nodes in the cluster and we might plan to move all the services from that host to some other host. So in that case, if we have any master services installed on that specific host which is having problem, uh, so being one of the master services, we can move the name node from one host to another using the Ambari itself. So let's get started on this. So let's go to the HDFS tab here, and we have an option on the right side which says service actions. Here we can see that we have one operation as move name node. So I'll click on that. So once we click on that, it will open this move master wizard, which clearly mentions here that this will take a downtime of the cluster as it will need to restart the HDFS and Zookeeper service. So I'll proceed and click on next. So in this tab, it asks us to select the target host. So currently my name nodes are running on these two hosts. So what I'll do is I'll move this name node to this host. So as we can see here, it was showing the name node installed over here earlier. Now it's showing it here, and I'll click on next. So once we do this, it will show us that the source host is this one, and that will get deleted, and the target host will be this one. So currently this configurations will also be configured for the source host, and that now will be changed to the target host. So I'll go ahead and click on deploy. So once we click on deploy, what it will do is it will go ahead and stop the required services in the sense the older name node which is currently running on the other host. Then it will proceed further and create the name node and Zookeeper failover controller. After doing that, it will disable HDFS for some time so that to make sure that no write operations are getting performed, because that can hamper the stability of HDFS and the cluster. Once that is done, it will reconfigure the name node and ZKFC, and now it is installing the name node and ZKFC on the new node which we selected. So that step is also completed now, and now we can see that it's starting up the Zookeeper servers. Now it will be starting the name node which was already present on the other host. So as we can see, now the name node is also started up, and we'll click on next. So now we can see that it's prompting us for some manual commands. So the first command is to format the ZKFC, and that is to be done on this host. So I'll just take up this command. I'll go to that node, I'll log in as the HDFS user. Now it will prompt us to if we want to format this ZKFC. So I'll click on yes and we'll proceed. So once we do that, we need to run this following command on this host. So I'll just log in into that host. So that I have done, I'll just become the HDFS user, and then I'll run this command. So it's asking us if we want to make any changes. So we say yes, and I have completed both the steps successfully. Now I'll click on next, and once we click on next, it will just start and it will just test all the services. So let's click on OK. Now it will delete the disabled name node and set KFC. It will start all the data nodes, and after the data nodes are up, it will start all the other services as well. So once start all services is complete, this move master wizard will be completed, and we just need to go ahead and click on complete. Once that is done, the Ambari will get refreshed and we can see the new configurations and the change in the host names of the name nodes. Okay, as we can see, everything is complete now. I'll go ahead and click on complete. So the move master wizard is complete now, and as we can see, the Ambari is getting reloaded again. So now let's go to the HDFS and see if the host names are changed. So as we see here, this is present on the same host because we didn't move this name node. We moved this one, and as we can see, this was present on another host. Now this is pointing to the newer host. So we have finally seen like how to move the name node service from one node to another. Thanks a lot everyone for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.